So I'm gonna be rating the amazing Digital Circus crew. So from Pomni to Bubble. So for Pomni, I mean she's a pretty okay character. Not as good though, so she'll be like A. Kinger. Kinger's a bit crazy, but he's still pretty chill. He cares for like all the characters like they're his own children. So he has to go to like S tier. Jax, he's even though he's like a mean character, he just has like not that good of a background. So he was like he was homeless. So for that, I would have to go like A as well for his like background or whatever. Regular, she's like Kinger. She cares for them like their own children, cause she's like a mom figure. So she would also have to go like S. Oh, Zubul. Zubul is how do I know there's more to them. Like all the way over here, but these don't count. So yeah, also the Ribbon and Queenie as well. Ribbon. So she is gonna go there, yes. Gangle. She does have a pretty, not the best back. Well, she is an artist. So I'm gonna have to go ask with her. So Kane, Kane would have to go to D. No, I'm joking. Can be Bubble. S tier all the way. No explanation ask. Kaufmo. I mean, I'll see if I can find like scratch. Okay.
What do you want? Yeah, warm.
So for this one took a while. Well, let's do Scratch Row. Since he was like the first abstraction, we didn't get really to know all about him. All that we knew was he has a brain tumor. So we should put him like A. Or I guess he'll go AAS. Queenie, no questions asked. She would also have to go up there too. Kaufman, so Rabbit would have to go A since we don't know a bunch. There's that too, so there is no. I want to see, bro. There is my tier list of all the TADC characters, and if you don't like it, then I don't really care. So yeah.